Good morning, students. I am fine here. I hope you are also fine at home. Stay home and stay safe. In the previous class, we have studied about the characteristics of image by the plane mirrors. Today, let's we start with today new topic is spherical mirror. What is that? Spherical mirrors. What is the spherical mirrors? The spherical mirrors nothing but we are taken from the hollow sphere of glass. Hollow sphere of glass. That's why that type of mirrors is called spherical mirrors. The spherical mirrors which are taken from the hollow sphere of glass. For example, suppose we have to see here. This is the hollow sphere of glass. This is hollow sphere of glass. In this hollow sphere of glass, we are cut like this. This piece cut like this. This part is acted as spherical mirrors. This part is acted as spherical mirrors. This is the curvature. This is the curvature. This is front view of the mirror. This is side view of the mirror. On the depending upon the reflecting surface of this mirror is classified again two types. So these spherical mirrors are which are taken from the hollow sphere of glass. On the depend upon the reflecting surface of these mirrors again classified into two categories. The two categories are concave mirror and convex mirror. What are the spherical mirrors? The spherical mirrors which are taken from the hollow sphere of glass. That's why those mirrors is called spherical mirrors. Okay, right? So here the spherical mirrors depend upon the polished or painted. The painted or polished. So depend upon the painting of the surface. These mirrors again classified into two categories. Those are concave mirrors and convex mirrors. Concave mirrors and convex mirror. Here, so depend upon the reflecting surface. That's mean. So here we taken like this part. So this part like this. This is the side view. So the front view like this. Front view like this. If the outer surface is polished like painted like this. The outer surface is pointed or painted like this. This type of spherical mirror is called concave mirror. This type of spherical mirror is called concave mirror. In the concave mirror, the outer surface is painted. Outer surface is painted. So then what happened? If outer surface is painted, the inner surface is acted as reflected surface. Inner surface is acted as reflected surface. So this type of mirrors is concave mirror. So how to remind this concave? Cave అంటే ఏంటి? తెలుగులో అయితే గుహ అంటాం. Concave. So this is concave surface. This type of this surface is acted as reflected surface. Hence it is called as concave mirror. Concave mirror. Here in this, the outer surface is polished, painted. This is painted surface. That's why the inner surface is acted as reflected surface. This type of spherical mirrors is called concave mirror. Concave mirror. Here the reflected surface. So according to law of reflection, this is the incident ray. After reflection takes place like this. So this is the pattern of image found by the concave mirror. Here in the concave mirror, here one important point is there. In the concave mirror, always the reflected surface towards the center of curvature. Towards center of curvature. Center of curvature, this is C. This is center of curvature. So always the reflected surface towards the center of curvature. Okay? Are you get my point? So in the concave mirror, always the reflected surface towards the center of curvature and the outer surface is painted. So here in the convex mirror, what is the convex mirror? In the convex mirror, the outer surface, convex X and external surface. This is the external surface. This is the inner surface. The inner surface is polished. The outer surface, then the outer surface or external surface is acted as reflected surface. This type of spherical mirrors is called convex. This type of mirrors is called convex mirrors. Okay, are you get my point? Here, so inner surface is what? The inner surface is painted, the outer surface is acted as reflected surface. Then, what is the relation center of curvature and reflected surface? The always reflected surface. Here, reflected surface. This is the reflected surface, like this. This is the reflected surface. This is the center of curvature here. Center of curvature here. So, in the this is the hollow sphere. This is the hollow sphere. This is the center of curvature. If light ray come from like this, after reflection, so it's going like this. Thus mean in the convex mirror, the reflected surface always away from the center of curvature. The reflected surface always away from the center of curvature. Light ray after reflecting goes like this. Okay, this type of spherical mirrors is called convex mirrors. So these are the main difference in between the